Today I'm going to help you guys prepare for the upcoming school year. Since school is in a couple of weeks, I thought I would share some tips that helped me in the past you should do before school starts to be more prepared for the upcoming academic school year. Always make sure your desk is clean and clear and organized. For me, having a clear desk increases my productivity. And if you ever lose something important, you won't, because your desk is going to be clear. Start a supply stash, or if you already have one, start committing to it. You always find your stuff in the same place every time, so you'll never lose things that are important to you. So commit to being time managed. This is very important for you and to be on task and to do things that you're supposed to do before the due date. You can use a to-do list or a weekly planner, or you can use a monthly planner. Revise last year's notes. For me, I don't know about you, material that we're taking this year is going to be based on last year's material. So doing this will help you be more prepared for the upcoming school year. Familiarize yourself with upcoming year's textbook because for me, I personally prefer to be ahead of class. And when the school starts, you already know or be familiar with some of the material being taken. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more, please like this video and subscribe.